The Day of Restoration of Independence is a state holiday in Azerbaijan, celebrated annually on October 18. On October 18, 1991, the Supreme Soviet of Azerbaijan adopted a constitutional act on the Declaration of Independence of Azerbaijan. The declaration was confirmed by a referendum in December that year. Until 2021, it was simply named Independence Day. In October 2021, it was renamed the Day of Restoration of Independence. The 5th anniversary celebrations of 1996 were the first major celebrations of the holiday. Large-scale celebrations also took place on the 10th anniversary in 2001. In 2017, a military parade was held in the capital of the Nakhchivan Autonomous Republic, in honor of the 25th anniversary of the establishment of the first military unit and 26th anniversary of independence. The second Independence Parade was held on Azadlik Square on October 9, 1992, in commemoration of the first anniversary of the establishment of the Azerbaijani Armed Forces, and also in connection with the anniversary of the restoration of independence. In 1998, the inauguration of then-President Heydar Aliyev coincided with the celebration of Independence Day. In 2020, Canada's Niagara Falls lit up in the colors of Azerbaijani flag to mark Independence Day.